There was a time when men stood taller, not because they had more, but because they were more. Honor wasn't a hashtag, freedom wasn't just a buzzword, and a person's word was worth more than gold itself. A man would never consider breaking a promise or go back on his word. But this ain't about the left or the right. It's about you versus everything trying to keep you small. That spirit, that backbone isn't dead. It's just been buried under noise, debt, and distraction. The Greater American Project is here to dig it up, dust it off, and reignite the soul of a country built on sweat and second chances. If you believe greatness still lives in the American heart, then saddle up. The Greater American Project starts now. Let's make Americans great again.